Hey guys, we're working on a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 5.7, and I'm replacing the plastic oil pan. I just got a few tips that will help you save some time. I got this stuff out here because I'm doing a wheel bearing. That's why this is out, but you really don't have to do anything. The drive shaft is still in. That was one of the things they wanted to get it out, but it's fast. It's faster this way. As you can see here, I did get this side fender liner out because I thought I would have better access to the bolt on the steering shaft, but I didn't. Alright, so the pin is out. I don't have a brace up on the top or anything like that. Turn the light on here. Okay. So the first thing I did is you gotta take that brace out of the transmission and engine. I take these bolts out of the motor mount. I'm in New England. I'm in Massachusetts, and this side I couldn't get it out. It's welded in there pretty good. So I got the top one out, which you can get it out through here if you take your cover. Everything's tight on the back. All I do is I lower this out. I take the bolts out. We lower this down. Take your steering shaft out. Alright, that's another thing. Take that out. We lower the cradle on the front, and then with this out, with the motor mounts loose, I pick in here. I'll pick it up in here. We'll go up. So you gotta at least have two of these things. And I made a couple. I had another one, but I lost it. Made a couple. It's a 2x4. I just split in half. And usually I put two here, and I'll put two here. This is about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and that's really all you need. The pan comes out this way. You turn it, and she comes out. And I got about it is 12:35. I got about 4 hours, 3.5 hours. So don't, remove the intake and try to make something. Don't go through all that. It's not worth it. I find this way faster and it works. So I'm not going to show the parts. Everyone's got a video on this. There's a lot of videos out there, but pretty much you need the O-ring and the pan from Chrysler. I wouldn't use anything else on it. The Chrysler products don't last anyhow, but that's it. I hope you find this video informative, and we'll see you next time. Bye.